want to go from 0 to 60 without your car overheating? Well, I got the deal for you. This is Stratus' sizzling deal of the summer. Alright? You want your oil change? We got oil filters. That means your oil is filtered properly. Alright? We got rust penetrant. We got MT50. I don't know what it is. We got it. This heavy duty silicone, it ain't made for toys. Alright? We got it. Washer fluid. Little black gloves. We got it. Air hoses. Stuff to put your oil in. Alright? We got these awesome lists right down here. Take a look at that. That ain't going anywhere. I don't think so. We got the tools to get the job done right. All for just $29.99. Call us up today. I don't know the number. Google it. Holiday. Dodge Chrysler Jeep. There might be Ram in there. I'm not sure. You'll find it. Don't go to the panties down the street, alright? We get the job done right.